Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be looking at the hourly sales report. This report breaks down your sales by the hour for a variety of different time periods. Starting from the EncorePOS login screen, log on to the EncorePOS dashboard. From here, you can access the report either from the Today's Sales tile on the dashboard or in the Reports tab. To get to it through Reports, click the Reports tab, scroll over Sales, and select the hourly sales report. On the report, you can see a breakdown by time period, number of sales, average sale, total sales in dollars, and percentage of sales done. By default, the current day appears. To change the period viewed, click the drop-down menu in the upper right corner of the window to select a different period. This week, last week, this month, last month display summaries of those periods, while today, yesterday, and a week ago options display those specific days. You can jump between these selections without exiting the window, and you can export this report directly to a printer with this button here. When you're done here, click this X at the top to return to the previous screen. That's it for this video today. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.